Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So today we just gonna be cleaning up my messy old makeup desk. You see this mess? I'm perplexed. Look at me, confused. Where do I begin? So basically it's just me cleaning up my desk because this is not only my makeup desk, it's also my work desk where I'm supposed to be working. But since it's been looking like, a rat's nest in a storm in the middle of a tornado, yeah, I haven't been really working. I've been like working on my bed, which I don't like doing that. I mean, I'm used to that because I'm very comfortable with that, but I don't like doing that no more. Okay, I'm trying to be an adult. All right, I bought a desk and a chair for this purpose. It's to work at it. But anyways, here I am. This is not fast forward. I actually naturally move this fast. I am that gifted. Speed runs in my blood. And I could slow down whenever I feel like it. But yes, basically I'm just like taking everything off. And do y'all see the amount of dust and dirt? Like, don't ask me when was the last time I cleaned this desk, because I do not remember. Like, don't ask. But it's finally being wiped away. Wiping away. And why am I like this? I hate this. But anyway, so basically just gonna be cleaning the desk, and I'm gonna show y'all the wipes that I'm using. It's from AOA Studio, but I didn't buy it for the brand of the month. Okay, I just actually bought it because I actually like them. You can also use it for your hands, so you can go ahead and purchase those because they're literally only $1. And we still in the times where we need to not be touching stuff. Oh, look at this. Y'all remember when Artist Couture was doing them highlights with Tatianna and the other influencer? Yeah, I still have those boxes and the products are still in there because I'm never going to get rid of those, okay? Oh, here I am. Hey, girl. All right. So, yeah. I got these Amazon years ago. But what I wanted to do was I mostly wanted to just organize everything, but then I ended up just be like, you know what? I'm gonna just put everything for brand of the month in my stuff, along with probably like a few other products. So, please excuse some of the products that I do own. Yes, some of them are from problematic brands or from brands that I said I am no longer supporting. Look, I'm going through the process of like getting rid of some stuff, a lot of stuff. Okay, I'm trying, and if I'm almost done with it, then I'm just going to keep using it until I'm done with it, but it is okay. But anyways, I kind of just wanted to talk to y'all about just anything, but as you can tell, I've been already just explaining the video, but it's like, y'all could use y'all smart brains to figure out what's going on. I'm just organizing the things with the things and doing the things. But my friend just like texting me, she just told me that like her roommate's foster dog, I guess, I don't know, just like went back to foster care, and I'm so sad because like I never met him in person. He was like this cute gray and white pit bull, and his name was Danny Boy. Like, oh my god, I'm so hurt. He was so cute, and then like whenever me and him on FaceTime, I could just like hear his nails on the hardwood, and I'm just like, Danny Boy. I'm literally sitting here about to cry over a dog that I don't own when I literally have a dog. Oh my gosh. But Zoe is crazy. Like, she crazy. Okay, sometimes it's like, girl, I need you to get out of my face. She don't know how to act. She don't know when to just not bark, because she just be barking at all the wrong times. And it's like, ma'am, we know you exist. Okay, we do. And then, like, when I want to give her attention, she don't want it. But then, like, when I don't want her near me, she wants to be all up on me. This is what, oh, see, look, I'm not excited for summer. For one, I don't like summer. I am from Texas, and it's, like, heat all around, whatever. I hate the heat, okay? And then when me and my mom moved to California, everyone's like, oh, my God, the weather is better. It's, like, 75 all year round. I don't know who in the hell lied to y'all. It be getting hot. And especially, I live more east of San Diego. Girl, it be getting hot, okay? And it's like, it gets warm now, where it's like I have to sleep with the window open. I probably need to take off this top comforter off of my bed now. Look, Don't try to move over here thinking like, oh, it's gonna be perfect weather all year round. Shut up. No, because I don't know what movie show y'all was watching where they said that, but it ain't true. Anyways, like I was saying, the heat and my dog. When it does get hot, my mom does want her inside the house because it just be too hot and she can't be, outside. But my mom really doesn't like her inside the house. But anyways, when it's hot, she likes her inside the house. And this dog sleeps in my bed, which I don't have a problem with. But I don't know why she decides that her hot body needs to be on me, especially when it's hot. It makes sense when it's cold, winter time and stuff. But her hot ass body likes to just plop on me like, girl, stop. I already got all this extra body weight on me. I don't need another 20 just on me, near me. Just get away, please. I don't know what to do with her, but that's my baby, and I love her and stuff, but damn, Zoe, can you pick a side? Pick something. Can you just love me more when I want to love you? What? Sorry, I've been watching a lot of Sim GM videos and listening to their podcast, so I've just been crying like not Chloe, Kim Kardashian. So yeah, anyways, this is basically the end of the video, and look at me, I'm on a Smoky Glow binge. I don't know why, but I've been watching Smoky Glow for like a little bit, but I'm on a binge. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. Also comment down below. Did you clean your stuff? Oh, my makeup brushes. I will be cleaning those separately. But anyways, turn on the notification bell and also subscribe. Yeah, okay, I gotta know. I talk too much. Bye!
Comigo do fuzil no seu brilhinho.